Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to share a YouTube link at a specific time. So if you're in your video and you pause it at a certain spot, you can copy the link at that specific time. So when you send the link to your friends or family, when they click on the link, it'll resume playing that video at the specific time that you wanted it to. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, everyone, we're currently on YouTube. So I'm just going to choose a video here, this guy on a bicycle, and pause the video. Let's say we'll go into about 1:13. This is where I'd like to share the link to my friends. All you have to do, pause the video, then head down here to share. And then there's a button down here, a little box. It says start at. If you click that, it'll start the video at this specific time. As you can see, it changes the code when you click the box. Now we can also change it manually if I wanted it to start at 1:35. As you can see, it changes the link up here. And then all I have to do is hit copy and then send it however you want to send it. Facebook, Twitter, email, send the link. And when your friend or family clicks on it, it'll resume playing this video at your specific time. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button. We'll see you in the next video.